Hello. When I came here, my blood sugar was very high. Very consciously and very deliberately, doctor advised to uh, uh, keep the control on food diet. So I followed him. So now 21 days completed, purely with no medicine, only diet control. Now my sugar level has come to normal. I'm really happy. So now I can walk, and swelling on my legs were improved, it has come down. So today I will be leaving to Mumbai. So I'll be in touch with their advice and support. So by the end of this year I will be coming back again. I advise everyone, keep a control on diet so you can enjoy your family later and life without paying much on medicines. So diet control is more important than any other medicine. Thank you.